大家好, what's your D? I am going to practice some HSK1 sentences today. So it is the day 12, and now I'm starting to gain more and more vocabulary. Guys, I'm telling you, learning this way is wonderful because I'm starting to recognize more hands. I am also learning about more words and how to use them in context. So I'm practicing some sentences I haven't practiced before. So I'm going to try to pronounce the sentence and then say what the sentence is and see if I'm right. So let's check it out. Day 12. Okay. 2 third tones side by side. We have to go up. So it's 你好,我叫黎明,你叫什么名字? Hello, my name is Li Ming. What is your name? Oh, there we go. We got it. Okay, I got that right. 我爱吃苹果,你呢? I love apples. I love to eat apples. Do you? How about you? All right, got it. 我的爸爸是老师,你爸爸呢? 我的爸爸是老师,你爸爸呢? Word together, my dad is to be a teacher. What about your dad? Got it. Okay, all right. I'm going. Next. 2 third tones side by side. First one goes up. 我喜欢喝茶,你喜欢喝什么? I like drinking tea. Do you like? What do you like? Okay. Oh, what do you like to drink? Okay, I missed the huh. What do you like to drink? All right, okay. Semi all right. All right, I didn't get it all the way right, but it was close. 他是我的朋友,他叫大卫. Way. Now, this sign right here is the guy sign for the ta. So, he is my friend. His name is David. Your girl is getting it. Okay. 你会烧汉油吗? 你会说汉语吗? Do you speak Chinese? Can you speak Chinese? Okay, I said, do you speak Chinese? Can you speak Chinese? Do you speak Chinese? I mean, it's answering. Okay, but I got it wrong. Semi-right, but wrong. 我今天 不吃学学校学 like 月学校你什么学校学校 school. I today not going to school. You going? I'm not going to school today. Are you going? Got it right. Pretty much. 家是什么？家是什么东西？ What is to be thing? What is that thing? What is that thing? What is that thing? Okay. Ooh. All right, I'm dissecting sentences now, okay? In Mandarin. 2/3 tone side by side. First third tone goes up, second tone. 你喜欢吃米饭还是吃面条 I like eating rice 还是 or eating noodles. Your girl is getting it. I'm getting it, y'all. I'm getting it. 谢谢你不客气 CSC by itself can say thank you, but if you want to be extra nice, you will say 谢谢你 Thank you 不客气 You're welcome. Okay? 你是哪个人 That's like a G, like ren, like a ZG, like a zhang, like nagaen zen. You is is to be what country? What country are you from? What's your country? There you go. There we I'm getting excited, y'all. I don't even want to know how many words I know already. I probably know about, the goal is to get to 400. But guys, I think learning this way, I'm learning a lot of words fast. 我在北京学习 I location word study. I study in Beijing. Okay, next. 我是美国人 美国人 I am American. 现在6点半 现在6点半 6 现在6点半 time half 6:30 boop 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 现在 now 6 half past it's 6:30 boop 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 你眼前忙吗你眼前忙吗 You tomorrow busy? Are you busy tomorrow? Or today? Oh, I got that wrong. 明天 is tomorrow. I was one of them. I think so. Tien is yesterday. I'm starting to get it together, okay? Jin Tien today. Okay. I got that one wrong. 2/3 tones. 我有一个妹妹。我有一个妹妹。I have a younger sister. 我们走吧。Let's go. We go. Let's go. In Mandarin, sometimes they'll just say zo. Or they might say the whole thing if they're being polite. Zoba. Or they might say zo. Like, let's go. Okay. 你能帮我吗？你能帮我吗？ You this one is hard. I don't know. What is it? Can you help me? Okay. I'm gonna have to remember that. Okay, these two words right here got me. They got me right here. Okay, so I knew the little ones. I just didn't know that's these two right here. Help. Okay, can you help me? Okay, I'm gonna have to remember that. Study more. Okay. 我 2/3 tones. First tone go up, second tone. 我有一个姐姐. G. Now that J-I is like G. You gotta put some air behind it. G. It's like you're saying G and T at the same time. G. But when you say G, real like G, it's come out like a T. So 我有一个姐姐 妹妹姐姐 I have an older sister. Mei Mei is typically younger sister. So if somebody is talking about a younger sister, they'll say my Mei Mei. Or they'll say 我妹妹. Well, if it's an older sister, it's 我姐姐. Okay? So that's how we know the difference. Okay, let's see this. 你花写汉字吗? Can you write Chinese characters? Hanzi is Chinese characters. All right, so we done. I didn't get that many wrong, but I need to study some more, of course, but I didn't get that many wrong. It was 20 questions in here, and I don't know, I got maybe about 4 wrong. I'll have to play back the video to see exactly how many. But anyway, your girl is getting good, okay? And soon we're going to be taking the HSK1. I'm going to be taking that test, guys. I'm going to be taking that test. So it's the goal to get up to 400 plus words in 30 days, because I know if I keep at it, I can master Mandarin. I can master Chinese. However, I see a lot of things out here, and I'm going to put this caveat right here. I see a lot of people coming out with the new HSK 3.0, the 500 word list. That list is not official. Everybody is guesstimating right now, because I went to the site and I noticed that they still only got the 150 words up from the old HSK. They haven't fully transitioned over to the new 3.0 HSK yet. Now, if they were to take the HSK 1 and 2 and 3, the older versions, and add them all together, I think that's what they're doing, because it's totaling a lot more words. So I think that a lot of people are combining those 3 old tests together into one to produce the 500 that's going to be on the new test. Now, when I take the HSK1, I'm going to come back and report whether or not this was a 500 word test right now currently, or is it still on the old test, right? On the 150 words. I don't know, but I can tell you this. The new word list that everybody's coming out with, this 500 word list, is not on the official site yet. Okay. So, and I looked that up. So that's my little 2 cents. I think they're guesstimating what the words are going to be based on previous tests, and they're just combining them, because maybe the new HSK 3.0 is going to make you know more of the words up front and in HSK 1, and they're already on the old test. So I'm thinking that that's what they're doing, is trying to combine them. And it's a guesstimate right now, because I did go to the official site, and I'm gonna put the official site in the description below so you can see exactly the site and where it's at, because the word list is not up on the official site yet for the official SHK testing. All right, but that's my 2 cents. I'll see you in the next video. 再见.